So today we're at SteelFab in Dubai. Beautiful day outside. If you're watching this from around Europe, you're probably very, very jealous, although they have had some phenomenal rain here in recent days. I'm on the Hwacheon stand now. I'm with the Vice President. We're going to have a very quick walk around the stand and show you the machines that are on show. There is going to be some more detailed videos on the MTD CNC Global channel of each of these models. Firstly, Klaus, thanks for your time. Tell us why you attend SteelFab.
Well, SteelFab for us is an important show. We are here the 7th time. Every year the SteelFab produces actually better quality stands. I mean, you see it today now. A few years ago it was very simple and primitive, but now it becomes really an attractive show and we have to be here. We are one of the key players here in the market, let's face it.
Well, let's have a look at some of this technology. Some of this technology we have seen before, but people on our channel may have not, because it is quite impressive. Just give me a very quick synopsis on the C1 that we see here, this turning center.
Yeah, this is our relatively new model, the C1. Also we have a C2, a bigger machine. It's really for high mix, low volume production means. That means customer can leave many tools in the machine, have them ready-made, and whenever he has a new workpiece or a new series mob to be done.
Because it's important to stress, this machine actually has a tool changer in here. Is it a 12-station tool changer?
Correct, it's a 12-station, and it will change either live tool or standard tools right in with Capto C4 into the turret practically.
Okay, so you have a 15-station turret as standard in the machine, but then there's 18 as standard, and then there's a 12-station outside, which means you can get up to 30 tools. Incredible piece of technology from Hwacheon, fairly unique as well, I believe. Here we also then have the 230 CXL class. Biggest thing that stands out to me about this machine is the bed length.
Yeah, it's a 1.1 meter center distance. We have shorter versions than available. The High-Tech 230 really has become also a workhorse in our production lines. Really gives customers flexibility from flanges up to shaft machining. Whether it's pumps or generators, you know, you need always longer parts. And supported with a steady rest, you have a good compatibility.
When you do look at the more detailed videos coming on the channel, you'll notice when we open the 230, the accessibility on the machine is great. I see a lot of your bigger turning machines around the world. Here's another one. This is the 550 BBL long bed turning center.
Yeah. The BBL High-Tech 550, or the bigger one, the 700 850, is really made for the oil and gas industry, right? BB stands for big bore. That means you can have bigger spindle bores up to 14.7 inch. This is the biggest one.
Key to this market here in the Middle East, really.
Yeah.
What about your vertical machining centers? Vesta 2000. One of the first times I've seen a machine of this size on the milling front from Hwacheon. Going to be a big seller for you?
Yeah, it has already been a very big seller. It's an alternative to our Cyrus line. Cyrus line is then really the high-tech box guideway, heavy-duty, very precise machines. The Vesta line is then a linear equipped machine, which gives the customer a little bit of lower budget to spend, but gives the same strength, same compatibility. Whether it's 3-axis, 4-axis, 5-axis.
You've actually got four guideways, I believe, here on the Y-axis, which gives you much more stability, and it's a BBT 50. Smaller machines here then, probably the smallest you've got on your stand. We won't spend too much time talking about this because there's other things I want to just touch on here. Vesta 1000, 12K spindle, another big seller for Hwacheon.
It is actually really our top seller in the machining centers line. The Vesta 1000 really offers a big variety of different industries, applications, and customers are very, very satisfied with it.
Right, now what I want to talk to you now about, Klaus, is your monitoring. We're always talking at MTD about how you get data out of machines, how you optimize machining performance. Is that what we're showing here?
All machines here on the stand, what we see here, the C1, High-Tech 230, 550, etc., are linked via the internet practically to our mVision Plus. With mVision Plus, the customer is capable of monitoring the condition, the current online, this is real time, what the machine is doing. We can show the efficiency, the cycle time, which program. The customer, the workshop manager, or the owner of the company can print out weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly efficiency reports, so they really can see, do I make money with the machine or not?
Yeah, and I'm sure they do. Let's conclude this with speaking to your colleague Eric here, because we have some pretty breaking news, I believe, here at MTD CNC Global. Eric, thank you for your time. What have you got to tell us this morning and to bring to our audience?
Yeah, we have here some really nice features for our customers. We have brought in here the first time, I guess, ever the NFC technology for downloading our brochures and everything, because the thing is, if the booth is really crowded, everybody is in talking with the customer should wait some minutes and then they leave and they think, okay, I will Google this next time. So this information about this customer is gone. Now with our technology, we have the opportunity, I can tell you, to tap your phone here on the Sesame. Here, you see, this is the tap, and if you have a phone, you just tap it here, and it pops up, and then you are right on our landing page for the machine. You can see here. Then you can see the PR video if you want, or you can make a request for appointment, or you can download the brochure. And before you download the brochure, you have to fill out a form, and we have all the data. And then
it's great these days with phones like this and this QR code method. Means you don't even have to download the app anymore, do you? You just literally straight away. How many people do you hope will be doing this week, Eric? Is it going to be a good show?
I think several thousand. So maybe, hopefully. And the most positive thing of this is the downloaded brochure or the brochure which is in the back, we can change until the last minute, because you have no time for printing and everything. So if you have to do changes, you can do it immediately and edit on the server, and you have always the actual brochure on the phone.
Well, I know we've taken a lot of your time this morning, and I can even hear it in Klaus's voice. He's starting to. I think we've worn him out. So we're going to let you gentlemen get on with the show. Have a great week this week, and thank you very much for your time. Thank you. And if you want to see the more detailed videos about the Hwacheon machines, then you'll be able to see them on the MTD CNC Global website in the coming days. That's it for me here on this Hwacheon stand at SteelFab in Dubai.